Hi, this is Felice. I'm with Baier Marine Company, and I'm here with Go-To Marine to show you our hatches. This is our hex head hatch. This is our classic style, and it's just basically you open it up with a T-wrench, which we have, and of course close it. Lift her up. This is our hinged model. We also have lift outs available. And the basic thing about this hatch is that it is secure. You've got a separate wrench to open it up, and it's also got the strong back system. It's very simple, it's strong, and it's reliable, especially in colder weather climates.